Wow. Whoa. Slow. Oh my gosh.
I already knew that again. I already knew that. You scared me that when I was 3.
No, I did not.
Last
Your grandma did. That was not me. You made it. You got through the maze.
Nobody did?
You're a good sport, baby.
That did scare me.